Next, please.
Hello.
Hello.
A booger, please.
Excuse me, madam.
A booger?
Are you absolutely sure?
Yes, I'm sure, and be quick.
Well, if I absolutely must. Your booger.
It seems many of us have ordered boogers when abroad. How come? That's an easy one. Anatomy.
You see, in a lot of languages, people just do not have the sound That is why the forward move of the lower jaw is unknown to them. As a result, for a lot of speakers of those languages, all burgers become boogers. Disgusting, isn't it?
So, how can we fix that? Anatomy to the rescue. Just move your jaw forward. You're almost there. Once again. Awesome. One last time. Do you hear that? Anatomy works.
And now, if you want to get this burger, could you just repeat the following? Return my burger from Turkey.
However, if you want to eat this bigger burger, the stakes will be higher. You're expected to pronounce these 15 more challenging words with the sound Ready, set, go.
Bird, burn, burst, hurt, purple, purpose, surfer, 30, turn, turtle, turkey, Turkish, work, and to crown it all, return my burger from Turkey.
Now, enjoy your Whopper and remember, it's a burger.